I'll do a garden walk from this point of view this morning. We just recently got 2 inches of rain, which has been wonderful, and it's perked everything up. So I'll walk this way, show you the gardens. I have impatiens for the hummingbirds. They prefer impatiens, although I do have a hummingbird feeder there, but they certainly prefer natural plants, flowers. So fruit trees doing well. I'm trying to keep people from pulling that. They think it's a weed. We're using black plastic this year to try to help control the weeds, and everything is just doing so remarkably well. The corn, they usually say should be knee-high by the 4th, and it's going to be probably shoulder-high by the 4th, but right now it's, to me, waist-high. My garlic will be ready to be harvested soon. I need to thin the heirloom pear-shaped yellow tomatoes. A friend gave me the seeds a couple years ago, so every year I try to plant some. The spiderwort over there, the purple flower, needs to be thinned. We need some help with the pond, so I've contacted a landscaping company to... It's just a little bit too overwhelming to try to do everything this year. And our ostrich fern are doing remarkably well again. They're quite tall. The irises have been beautiful this year. We have petunias because they sure smell nice in the evenings, summer evenings. And as you can see, the strawberries over there, they definitely need to be weeded. And that is what I'm going to attempt to do today.